What's up, y'all? It's Aniya, and I'm back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing a part 2 to the intro. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, we left off adding our first cutout and adding a transition to it. Today we're going to be basically getting into keyframes, what they are, what they do. That's basically what we're going to be doing the whole time with these next few inserts that we have to put into the video. So let's get straight to it. So right here, I'm just making sure the transition look right, and I'm looking for the spot I want to insert the keyframe at, like where I want the picture to drop down basically. And you want it to be like, you don't want it to be so fast, so you got to find the perfect spot. You want to go to position and press the time thing that's adding the first keyframe in. Then you're going to go move your cursor to the front of that image and press motion, and you're going to slide it while holding shift, so you can make sure the line is straight. Slide it from whichever direction you want it from, and I wanted it to slide down, so I went up. So I'm just looking at it right now, and then I'm finding the next spot for the next keyframe at the end, so it can slide out, so the next picture can come in. So we're basically going to be doing the same thing. Find the spot where you want it to slide out, and then you're going to take it, hold shift, and move it to whichever direction you want it to go out of. And I wanted it to go down. It's going way too fast. We're going to move that back so we can actually see it happening. And we're gonna go find our next cutout image of moi. I'm gonna repeat the whole process basically. We need to add a color key to get rid of that white background. So that's what we're looking for right now. Just tap it, and then we're gonna scale it down to fit it in. Move it to where we want it to go. Now we're looking for that spot for our first keyframe. Found it, add it. Now we're going to hold shift and make it come out of the sky. But this time we're going to leave a little bit in there because we want it to look like, I don't know, like it was coming as the other picture was leaving. Y'all gonna see when I play it back. It's too fast. Way too fast. Move that back. Now it's like it's all happening at the same time. See? Just like that. Now we're finding the keyframe for the last part. Same process, y'all know. And we did that for the last one too. So this is how it looks. Perfect. So basically that's the same process for Malaysia. So we're just gonna skip to that part since I already did it. It don't make sense to do it again. So this is how both of them look. Okay, now we need to do the ending part. So for these, I'm going to be using these two videos and making them look like they're on Polaroid picture things, like the little Polaroid printout things, but it's a video. And I'm going to be sliding them in with the little search bar. So that's what we're about to get into, guys. So let's see how we're about to do that. We're going to go to the effects panel and we're looking for crop, because I feel like the videos are too big. I need them to be a little bit down so I can have a little background, a little white background on it. See how that's looking. Yep. I like. We need to move that video back because we want them to leave at the same time. But now we're looking for the little search bar I was telling y'all about. It's not cute right now. We need to change it up. Put our name in it. We need to change the font. Then we need to change these colors, girl. Like, no. We're going to do the same colors as our names. So the inside is going to be yellow and the outline is going to be blue. Watch how cute it looks. Watch. Oh my gosh. So much better. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so we need to take that little website off because y'all already on the website if y'all looking at our channel, so we need to take that off. Now we're going to be moving our pictures to where we want them to be on the screen with the search bar. And we're going to be adding the Polaroid little rectangle behind it. I don't know why I put the colors on it, but we need to change that to white. Okay, so y'all see how it's over the video? We don't want that. We want it to be under it, so we need to drag that down so the video could be on top of it. And we need to size it up, make it actually look like a little Polaroid thing. This is kind of hard, but now we're going to change these colors. They need to be white. And then I want it to be sideways, so I needed to tilt it. I don't even know if this matched up right, y'all, like the video and the rectangle, but it was close enough. Now we're gonna add the keyframes. I told y'all that's basically all we're gonna be doing today. And I'm gonna slide that down. You can't use shift in this because you see how it's going straight. We don't want that. We want it to go sideways. So we gotta let go of shift, and that's how it's gonna go. And we're gonna do the same thing with the rectangle. See. Now it slides in. Now we need some transitions on them for when they leave. Oh, I did the other one already, y'all, because it's basically the same thing. My bad. But we want them to slide out, but both of them not on the same side. So on one of them, we got to change, like reverse it, so it could slide out a different way. So here's how it looks, and they slide out different ways. Perfect. Let's full screen it for you guys from the top. It looks so good. All we missing is the social media tags and the ending, of course. I forgot about that. Okay, now we're looking for this last cutout of both of us for the ending little segment of it all. So first we need to find the color key thing so we can make it transparent. So for this part, y'all, it was acting really slow, like really slow. And I just sped it up because I didn't want y'all to go through that same stress that I had to go through. So I can't give y'all the tutorial because it slowed down the whole program. I don't know. So now we're going to be looking for Instagram, so we can do the Instagram and the Twitter things, the social media tags, so we could be done with this tutorial. We're looking for the title that's going to be for our ads. And we're trimming it down so it won't be so long. This is the Instagram icon I'm using. I cropped the Instagram name out because I don't want that in there. I'm just making it the size I want and putting my ad on there. Changing the colors with it, the strokes and all that. And we're just gonna move it by the Instagram tag. And I don't like the transition, so we're gonna take all of that off. It's just gonna have to be regular. And we're just going to duplicate that so I could change it to my Twitter at. My Twitter name is kind of stupid, y'all. I didn't know what to put. Don't laugh at me. But now we're looking for the Twitter icon. I'm gonna trim that down, make it the same time as the rest of it, scale it down, make it small enough so I can fit. The title, my ad was kind of too big, so I had to make that a little smaller, but that's how it's looking right now. I'm gonna drag it out a little bit more because I didn't give it the time that it deserved. Now we are looking for transitions for the end of the icons, the Instagram icon and the Twitter icon, because the titles already have transitions at the end. This is from the top, guys. I did keyframes, make them slide up, and I did Malaysia's already too. I didn't show y'all because it's the same thing as the cutouts. I told y'all the keyframes is easy. And that's the ending that I was talking about. Now we are looking for the stuff for our background, because you see our background is playing right now. So we're going to be looking for cell pattern, looking for crystal HQ. Crystallized HQ, No, it's actually Crystal's HQ. And we're looking for tint. Drag that in so it won't be black and white. Y'all see how creepy that look? That is so creepy. I was like, ugh, when I was doing this, but it was creepy. Now we're finding that color. And then I'm going to make it look right. We're going to make the little crystallized small. Honestly, I didn't know what I was doing because I didn't remember how I did this. So I was actually just playing with numbers. I don't know why I'm sitting here acting like I know what I'm talking about. I don't. But this is how it looks. Now we're going to be doing the last thing, the most important, the music. So I realized that I didn't record audio for the music. So as I was doing this, y'all couldn't hear what I was trying to get the part to do, get the part of the music to start on. So I'm sorry for that, y'all, but I just sped it up because y'all couldn't hear it anyway. But that's my fault. We're adding transitions so the music can fade in and fade out. New trick I learned. Very helpful. It's called exponential fade. And here it is from the top, guys, with the music. But now we're going to be exporting, so that's what I'm doing right now. We're going to go to file, export, and want to make sure that our video looks how we created it. It does. We're going to change the name of it and set it to where we want it to export to, and make sure it's on H.24 and match source bitrate. And then you're just going to click export, and it takes a little minute. I sped that up for you guys because y'all didn't have to sit there and watch that. But now we're going to look for where it's at, and here it is. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe on this video. Get our views way up there. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.